Okay. Hey
Why are
Rosni.
you coming?
Hey Rosni.
Hey Rosie,
Don't scold me.
don't scold me.
I'm your sister.
I am your
Listen, I'm not giving a heart attack. The next girl is going to come exactly. Any guess? Any guess? Who is that?
I will suspend you.
I will suspend you.
I will suspend
Just
you.
listen. Listen. Just listen. Also,
You also
listen.
listen.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
You will.
You will.
You will. You're watching on me? Once again, you are smiling.
Once again, you are smiling.
Yes, you have to face audience.
You have to face audience.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
Hey Nazia,
Hey Najia,
you are doing great job.
you are doing great job,
And that's very nice.
and that's very nice.
You have to get up again and again. Your tonality matters. Your way of speaking matters. If you are speaking here, just forget about all the people. Just forget about your fear. What will happen after some time? Nothing is going to happen here. Just come here and speak something. It's all about working hard. It's all about facing people. It's all about facing boys and girls. You have inner power. You have capacity. You have ability. Everything you have. All you have to do one thing, and that is face people. Now, here I would like to call the next person. Let's give an energetic and warm welcome the person from the girl side, and that person name is Big Hand for Big Hand for Listen, I'm not giving a heart attack. The next girl is going to come exactly. Any guess? Any guess? Who is that? Nazia. Big hand for Nazia. All right, big hand for Nazia. Yes. You all guys are just playing with me. All right. Okay, the next person I would like to call here from the boy side. I don't have any idea what will happen after some time, but I would like to call that person. Nikhil, just come here. Just come here. Just come here. Just come here. You have to face. All right. Actually, कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं कि मैं कहाँ आया हूँ. आके बेवजह मैं फंस गया. All right. But don't worry. Nikhil, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
So you are a fearful person,
No,
or you are unstoppable?
I'm unstoppable.
Yes, but that's very nice. I can see on your personality. Right now, I can see. Okay, what about you, Nazia? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
You are ready. And
Yes, sir.
what do you want to say about these boys and girls?
They are doing very well.
And how can you see that they are doing very well?
Uh,
Is there any, idea?
I am seeing that energy in all of them.
Mhm.
So I feel that they are doing very well in their own practice and life.
Okay. And what do you want to say about Sweta, and where is
She is very great girl and she is very doing great.
and she is
Level up.
and listen to me, she is a beginner right now.
Yeah.
And what do you want to say about where is that boy, Roshan? What do you want to say about him right
He's
now?
also fighting with their with the own problems.
Yes,
with
and
our
he-
inner
Yes.
sorry, with his inner problem.
And what I mean, he's right now he's able to face all the people, or he's not able to face all the people right now.
Right now he is feeling comfortable because he is standing
Exactly.
exactly.
And you know what happened when he came here exactly, and I just touched his heart, and you know his heart was pumping. Thuk.
I didn't feel that
That particular pain.
because first time I also
Sweta also told that. Why are you just giving this type of problems in front of us? All right, guys, two trainees are here. The first one is Nazia, and the second one is Nikhil. So Nazia, good morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Both will speak. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Take this mic. I can understand your problems. Be with people who inspire you to become better, right? And right now you're watching all the boys and girls is that. Yes. And you have to face problems. Just give me the mic. Speak. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Today we are here.
We are here.
Today I am here.
Today I am here.
I am Amar.
I
I
am
am
Nikhil.
Nazia.
Okay, I am.
Nikhil.
Nazia.
Yes, I'm Nikhil and Nazia. Don't say I'm Amar. I am Amar. Listen. Today I'm here.
I'm here
to talk about
to talk about
communication skill.
communication skill.
You have to understand your problems.
You have to understand your problems.
You have to face all the audience.
You have to face all the audience.
You have to understand.
You have to understand.
To understand.
You have to understand.
Once again, you have to understand.
You have to understand.
You have to understand all the problems.
You have to understand all the problems.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen, guys.
Listen, guys.
Speaking in front of the people
Speaking in front of the people
is very easy.
is very easy.
All you have to do one thing.
All you have to do one thing.
That is
That is
practice.
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 Practice all the time.
Practice all the time.
And you will be able to face all the people.
And you will be able to face all the people.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Dear boys.
Dear boys
And girls.
and girls.
You all guys are here.
You all guys are here
To talk about.
To talk about.
To talk about.
to talk about
Communication skill.
communication
Communication
skills. Hey, listen.
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 You have to face.
You have to face.
You have to face audience.
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 Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
This is
This is
the time.
this is the time.
You have to understand it.
You have to understand it.
No, you have to understand problems.
You have to understand all the problems.
You have to understand situations.
You have to understand situations.
Nazia.
Nazia.
Nazia, you are supporting me right now.
Nazia, you are supporting to me right now.
Route nahi. Route nahi. Right now. What is that? Right
now.
Nazia,
Nazia,
you are supporting me
you are supporting me
right now.
right now.
Listen.
Listen.
You are.
You are.
If you support me,
If you support me,
if you support me,
if you support me,
then I will support you.
then I will support you.
Hey, Subham.
Hey Subham.
Hey, Nikhil.
Hey Nikhil.
You are not supporting me.
You are not supporting me.
You are selfish.
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 You are absolutely selfish.
You are absolutely selfish.
Listen,
Listen.
ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm here
I'm here
to talk about
to talk about
personality,
personality,
success,
success,
voice modulation.
voice modulation.
Your voice
Your voice
matters.
matters.
Understand it?
Understand it?
I hope you understand it.
I hope you understand.
Nikhil, just come here.
Nikhil, just come here.
Come here.
Come here.
It is my order.
It is by order.
You have to understand it.
You have to understand.
Why are you smiling?
I'm smiling because
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
If you smile,
If you smile,
I will.
I will
suspend you.
I will suspend you.
I will suspend you.
I will suspend
Just
you.
listen. Listen.
Listen.
Just listen.
Just listen.
Why you are smiling? you.
Because of her action.
Yeah. Just.
He's acting like that.
Just escort him. Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
You are watching.
You're watching.
You are behaving like this.
You're behaving like this.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to carefully.
It is not good habit.
It is not good habit.
Hey.
Hey.
Why are you watching here and there?
Why are you watching here and there?
Watch me.
Watch me.
See.
See,
If you behave like this,
if you behave like this,
you will be punished.
you will be punished.
You will be punished.
You will be punished.
And see these all boys and girls.
See all these boys and girls.
They are
They are
good person.
good person.
You are only bad 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 person.
I can see on your face.
I can see on your face.
See
See
how he is behaving.
how you are behaving.
You're watching on me. Once again you are smiling.
Once again, you are smiling.
Just come here. All right. Speak once again. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
बड़े ही मान और सम्मान के साथ
बड़े ही मान और सम्मान
मैं
के
बुलाना
साथ
चाहूंगा
मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी
आपके बीच
आपके बीच
उस शख्स को.
उस शख्स को
निखिल, you are not speaking. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
बड़े ही मान और सम्मान के साथ
बड़े ही मान और सम्मान के साथ
मैं उस शख्स को बुलाना चाहूंगा.
मैं उस शख्स को बुलाना चाहूंगा.
वो शख्स का नाम है.
उस शख्स का नाम है.
उस शख्स का नाम है.
उस शख्स का नाम है.
Big hand for.
Big hand for.
Big hand for.
Big hand for.
Big hand for Ajit.
Big
Big
hand
hand
for
for
Ajit.
Ajit.
Ajit, just come here.
Ajit, just come here.
कहाँ से आगे फंस के बेचारा. Just watch there. इसके बैच के लोग देख लो, ये वही इंसान है जो डिबेट करना चाहता है. अजीत.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Just yes sir.
Are you active?
Yes sir, I am active.
पूरा धक कर रहा है. पूरा एकदम हाई, एकदम धक ऐसे कर रहा है. Hey dear my friend,
Hey dear my friend,
what are you doing here?
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 What are you doing here? What are you doing here? बोले, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
I'm here
I'm here
to talk about
to talk about
communication skill.
communication skill.
Nazia, what do you want to say? You want to say something?
He is feeling very nervous
Right now.
because I see on his face.
Yeah, he
his
is-
face become red.
Yeah, and after some time he will become lalchaunga. You know. Okay, Subham, where are you? Subham, where are you? Just come here. Just come here, Subham. You, Subham, just come here. Just come. And you know, when he comes in front of the audience, he also become absolutely red, as you can see on his face.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, as you can see on his face. Subham, how are you?
I'm fine.
Dear friends,
Dear friends.
dear friends.
Dear friends.
इसको पहले ऊपर कर लीजिए दाम आराम से. हाँ, यहाँ पे आवाज. बोले, dear friends,
Dear friends.
I'm talking about
I'm talking about
communication skill.
communication skills.
इधर से इधर देख रहे, इधर उधर के नहीं, इधर. I'm here
I'm here
to talk about communication skill.
communication skills.
Smile.
Smile.
Yeah, smile. हाँ, एकदम गुस्सा होकर देखा. मारना नहीं है ना इन लोगों को. सब रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हैं, ठीक है ना? और इधर देख लो, सब एक से बढ़कर एक. नहीं, महाराणा प्रताप नहीं. मम्मी के मगरमच्छ है इधर. और इधर देखो पापा की परी है. Exactly. As you can see. All right. Watch carefully. All right. Speak that. Listen. You have to understand.
You have to understand.
You have to work.
have to work.
You have to work upon your personality.
You have to work on your personality.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
I'm here
I'm here
to talk about. To talk about. I'm here
I'm here
to talk about. नहीं, आप एकदम ऐसे एक मोनोटोनस यूज कर रहे हैं. आप एकदम मेरे जैसे एक्ट करें. I'm here
I'm here
to talk about. Communication skill.
Communication skills.
Personality development.
Personality development.
Success.
Your
success matters.
success matters.
Your family. Your family is waiting for that.
Your family is waiting for that.
Your family.
Listen.
ना, इससे पूरा नहीं बोलना. बोले listen. एकदम अंदर की आवाज को रोक के आराम से बोले listen. Nazir, just come here.
Nadia, just come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Listen. Speak that. Listen to me.
Listen to me.
You have to work upon that.
You have to work upon that.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
You all guys are here
You all guys are here
to talk about
to talk about
communication skill.
communication skill.
You all guys are here.
You all guys are here.
Once again. Listen to me. Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
Rosni, just come here. Come. Just come here. Hey Nazia,
Hey Najia,
you are doing great job.
you are doing great job
And that's very nice.
and that's very nice.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Listen to me, dear boys.
Listen to me, dear boys.
You have to understand.
You have to understand.
You have to understand personality.
You have to understand personality.
You have to understand your responsibility.
You have to understand your responsibility.
Your responsibility is very important.
Your responsibility is very important.
You have to get up in the morning time.
You have to get up in the morning time.
Listen.
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 Listen, my dear friends.
Listen, my dear friends.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm Rosni.
I'm Roshni.
I'm Rosni.
I'm Roshni.
I'm here to talk about
I'm here to talk about
communication skill,
communication skill,
success,
success,
confidence,
confidence,
fear,
fear,
motivation.
motivation.
Your thoughts
Your thoughts
makes you
makes you
perfect.
perfect.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Dear boys,
Dear boys.
dear girls,
Dear girls.
listen to me.
Listen to me.
You have to understand.
You have to understand.
Hey Khushi,
Hey Khushi.
you are happy.
You are happy.
Hey Khushi,
Hey Khushi.
your name is happiness.
Your name is happy.
Your name is happiness. Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing, Khushi?
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
You have to work.
You have to work.
If you work,
If you work.
if you work,
If you work.
you will get your success.
You
You will get your success.
you will get your success.
Hey Pooja,
Hey Pooja.
just come here.
Please come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Why are you standing?
Why are you standing? Because I am confused.
You are confused. Okay. Hey
Why are
Rosni.
you confused?
It's with a hey Rosni.
Hey Roshni.
Don't scold me.
Don't scold me.
I'm your sister.
I am your sister.
Hey Subham, just come here. Hey Subham,
Hey Shubham.
you should support.
You should support.
It is your responsibility.
It is your responsibility. I am.
I'm your classmate.
I am your classmate. Rosni.
You should support me.
You should support me.
I'm beginner.
I am beginner.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
You have to understand.
You have to understand.
You have to understand my points.
You have to understand my points.
Because
Because
I am.
I am.
Listen.
Listen.
I want to be successful woman in my life.
I want to success. I want to become success in my life.
Yes, I want to be.
I want to be.
I want to be something different.
I want to be something different.
Rosni.
Rosni.
You want to say something to me?
Rosni, you want to say something?
Listen.
Listen.
I am.
I
I have power.
I have power.
I have motivation.
I have motivation.
I have motivation.
I have motivation. Bishop.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
I am confused.
I am confused.
I'm little bit confused.
I am little confused.
Okay, my dear sister,
Okay, my dear sister,
I can understand.
I can understand.
When I was suffering,
When I was suffering,
when I was struggling,
I was struggling,
on that time,
on that time,
I had no power.
I have no power.
I had no power.
I have no power.
I had no power.
I had no power.
But right now,
But right now,
I have
I have
power
power
to face
to face
all the people.
all the people.
You also
You also
listen.
believe
Believe in yourself.
believe in yourself.
You will.
You will
Do a great job,
you will do a great job,
and you will win.
and you will win,
And you will win your target.
and you will win your target.
Accept this challenge.
Accept this challenge.
Your challenge.
Your challenge,
My challenge.
my challenge,
Everyone's challenge.
everyone's challenge
It's very important.
is very
You
important.
will win that.
You will win that.
You will win that.
You will win that.
All right. Began for all the trainees. Began for everybody. All right. Take your place, everybody. Take your place. Take your place. All right. So, guys, now we all guys will do this activity together. We all guys will do this activity together. Okay. Everybody just थोड़ा सा खुल जाइए. सारे लोग थोड़ा सा खुल जाइए. थोड़ा सा जगह बना लीजिए. Everybody just make the place. Yes. क्योंकि ऐसे हाथ मार के तुम थोड़ा सा ना पूरा दम लग जाएगा चोट, ठीक है ना? All right, ladies and gentlemen. I am Amar. Yes. अपने नाम. I am Amar. Yes, that's very nice. Listen. You have to understand. सारांश अपने हैंड्स को ऊपर कर लीजिए. देवी और सज्जनों, बड़े ही मान और सम्मान के साथ मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा. मैं यहाँ बुलाना चाहूंगा. मैं इस स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा. As you can see on my face, that excitement, that great excitement, that happiness, that's power, that's capacity. Listen, Nidhi, you have to do that. If you do that, you will win. Because I am. Hey Pinky, listen, watch me right now. You are nervous, but don't worry. It is the part of the journey. Adil, listen. You are laughing at me. Watch me right now. It is your responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Amar. अपना नाम ले रहे हैं सभी तब. I am. Let's give an energetic and warm welcome the one and only Changulal. Yeah, Changulal is actually, he's invisible, guys, and you are not able to watch that particular person right now. Okay, you got that, everybody? समय आया कैसे?